Good morning, buddy. Hi. It's Saturday morning. It's cartoon time. Hi, buddy. It's Dada. It's Dada. Good morning. Hi. Yeah. We doing okay today? Did we have a good nap? I think we did. Hi, buddy. Hi, baby Jack. Hi, how are you? Yeah. We're going to be hanging out today. Daddy has a day off. Yeah. What are we going to do? Are we going to do some fun stuff? Are we going to do some fun stuff? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we had a good meal about an hour ago. We got some good sleep last night. Should be a pretty good day, bud. I think we're still trying to figure out if we want to get up or not. I think we do, though. I think we do. Yeah, what do you got in that blanket? You hiding any toys in there? Oh, Stinker. Stinker. Hey, little dude. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Okay, maybe we're not ready for the camera yet this morning.